Reconciliation doesn't have to be stressful. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reconcile bank statements quickly and easily without all the headaches. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll walk you through a simple, stress-free process. The first thing you need to do is gather your bank statements. Whether you're working with paper statements or digital ones, make sure you have everything for the relevant period. If you're using software, like the one we'll be using in this tutorial, simply upload your bank statement directly into it. Now, let's talk about your transaction records. Open up your accounting software or spreadsheet where you track your expenses. These records should match the ones on your bank statement. If they don't, you've got your work cut out for you, but don't worry. We'll get through this together. Look for any discrepancies and make sure that every transaction is listed on both sides. Next, compare your deposits. Make sure every deposit in your bank statement is recorded correctly in your transaction records. If there are any missing deposits, note them down and track them down. This is one of the most common sources of confusion, but it's an easy fix once you know what to look for. Now, let's focus on your expenses. Go through each withdrawal and payment on your bank statement. These need to match what you've recorded in your software or spreadsheet. If you find any mismatches, double-check your entries. It's easy to miscategorize a payment or even miss one altogether, but a quick review should do the trick. If you're still finding discrepancies, here's a quick tip. Focus on the small things. A typo, an extra decimal, or a missing digit can be the root of the issue. If your software has automatic matching features, take advantage of that to speed up the process. And if you're doing it manually, slow down and ensure you're matching numbers one by one. Once everything matches up, reconcile the totals. Your ending balance from your bank statement should be the same as your adjusted balance in your accounting system. If it's not, retrace your steps until you find the error. It might be tedious, but it's always worth it in the end. You've done the hard work. And to make this process even easier, I've partnered with a great software that can help streamline this process. It'll make reconciling your bank statements simpler and faster. Plus, viewers of my channel get an exclusive free trial. The link is in the description below. Key takeaway: reconciliation doesn't have to be a stressful process if you break it down into smaller steps and stay organized. Start with your statements, match your transactions, double-check for discrepancies, and make sure everything balances out. To recap, gather your statements, compare deposits and expenses, use the software tools at your disposal, and finally, make sure everything matches up. Remember to take advantage of the free trial in the description below if you want to follow along with the software we used. Thanks for watching.